Hey guys, JC Peretz here, and I am with my friend Sebastian. Sebastian is the winemaker here at Rancho Maria in Sonoma.
So I looked it up, and I looked up technical analysis and what it was, and there seems to be a little bit of controversy as to what it actually is and if it actually works. I even read that there was kind of voodoo to it, so why don't you explain that a little bit more for me?
Listen, the way we look at it, the more people that think it's voodoo, the better it is for us, right? So we're totally cool with that. Yeah, it's voodoo, it's voodoo. Just turn this video off. What we're doing by doing technical analysis is that we are analyzing the behavior of the market. And more importantly, market participants, you and me. Like, we have all of our emotional flaws as Homo sapiens, as human beings, right? And those flaws are most exposed when there's money involved. So even though throughout 100, 150 years of market, let's just say, technology evolves, markets evolve, new asset classes exist. But the one thing that remains constant is us, the people. We're built exactly the same. And we are driven by fear and greed. And that's why we see the same patterns of market behavior going back 100 years, and not just in the stock market, in oil, in precious metals, in Bitcoin, right? In all of these assets that are driven by supply and demand, these emotions are most exposed. So all we're really doing by analyzing the behavior of the market is understanding how fear and greed is being pulled in various directions. And it's more of an art than a science, but historically speaking, markets trend, right? If something, an object in motion tends to stay in motion. Yeah. So that's why technical analysis works, because what we're doing is we're trying to identify the direction of the primary trend. And because trends, there's a higher likelihood for them to continue than to reverse. If we can identify that trend and err in that direction, we already have the probabilities in our favor. So if we can match those probabilities with risk versus reward opportunities that are skewed in our favor, that's how we win. And in allstarcharts.com, we help people win every day. These are retail investors to the biggest institutions in the world, banks and hedge funds, and we all have the same objectives. Let's look for the trend, let's manage risk responsibly, and let's do it consistently, most important. So whenever you see that voodoo stuff, just be like, yeah, voodoo. And then you call me and be like, all right, Jay, I see you.